Welcome to the 118th episode of Lalitha Divya Sahasranam Stotra. The super soul has 10 incarnations as covered in Mars world and as we have been covering lately on planet Earth also. And according to as per the pundits of spiritual science, it was said that 600 to 700 lives are required for ordinary souls to fully get saturated, that is super saturated. So for super soul, it has taken only 10 incarnation. For ordinary soul, it takes 600 in reincarnation, so to speak. So for both cases, that is super soul as well as the fragmented part of the super soul, the nourishment is one and the same. That's the essence of Lalitha Divya Sahasranam Stotra. So let us move on. Next nama is Purnaa. It is a saturated form of wheel of Dharma post Mahabharata. A coconut taking birth on coconut tree begins its journey with a small shape and eventually grows big, gets saturated, and withdraws nourishment from mother tree by turning inward and dries up, and eventually it falls on earth, terminating into the 5 elements. In the same manner, in Mahabharata, the wheel of Dharma began in small dimension. It has grown in size till it cannot grow any further and got saturated. So it was driven by self-limiting mechanism, and the process of termination happened in the form of epic battle where everyone was perished. So dharma as well as adharma both must eventually terminate into something that is unchanging in time and space, which is satya or truth. The reference for wheel of dharma is satya. The center point of circle, which is rotating, is stationary, which is satya. Purna doesn't mean completion of a circle. It indicates completion of big saturated circle or super circle. Purna is a saturated form of Kali Vidya. Through this nama, Sinjana Maivanjira Mandita Sri Padamuja re-enters planet Earth. As per our scriptures, Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purna Mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Meaning, a saturated circle when divided gives rise to a smaller circle. It doesn't give any other shape. And each of these smaller circles further qualified to become big saturated circles. The entire universe is marching forward based on this formula. Planet Earth formed from lunar planet, both being circular, and the division led to the formation of moon, earth and stars. Each of these in turn are round in shape. That is Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purna Mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Next Nama is Bhoghini. This is a significant Nama, beginning of Mercury planet rotation of the Mercury planet after Big Bang, and it also coincides with the end of Dwapar Yuga. After the end of Mahabharata, the epic battle, the saturated form of wheel of Dharma was terminated into Kali. Millions of souls that left bodies in the battle field reached lunar planet. That was a Trishanku Swarga that Vishwamitra created in Treta Yuga. There are some evolved souls evolved souls in this battle. After leaving their bodies, they went through the counseling and ritual performed by Shiva and Parvati, that is through Panchakrutya Parayana. These evolved souls, having higher soul energy, went all the way to the solar planet, just the way that Bhanumandala Madhyastha Bhairavi Bhagavani happened. These evolved souls that reached Sun included Bhishma, Karna, Pandavas and Balarama and Krishna. So much energy all of a sudden reaching solar planet. What will happen? What will happen if fuel is poured onto the fire, a burning fire? The fire further strengthens. Exactly same thing happened. Solar storm happened as a result of sudden entering of this soul energies. Solar flares happened, and the sudden solar flares triggered the Mercury. The Mercury planet became responsive and started revolution for the first time after the Big Bang event. Mercury is the youngest among the 7 planets and also the fastest responding planet. So the departed souls from Mahabharata reaching Sun triggered the rotation of planet Mercury. So the reason for the restart of Mercury planet was Mahabharata. The Mercury waves were generated because of the rotation of the Mercury planet due to the expansion and contraction of the Mercury fluid. These waves reached Jupiter planet and got superposed onto the magnetic waves that generates from Jupiter planet. And through these magnetic waves, Mercury effects reached planet Earth. The Mercury that was found on planet Earth would have reached through this onset of the movement of rotation of the Mercury planet. So what will happen when the Mercury characteristics fall onto the Earth? When a virtue is terminated, what will happen? A new virtue gets originated, a new life springs. Therefore, life having Mercury characteristics was initiated on planet Earth. New souls were assuming bodies and they were practicing Bhoga, that is sense gratification, Bhoghini, that is a luxurious lifestyle. Luxury here indicates sense gratification, and that is called Bhoghini. Through this Nama, Bhoghini, Marali, Mandagamana re-enters planet Earth. Next Nama is Bhuvaneshwari, the saturated form of Guru energy in lunar planet, that is called Bhuvaneshwari. Bhuvaneshwari is same as Trishanku. Ishwari is the Guru form that counsels departed souls. In the epic battle of Mahabharata, millions of souls departed and reached lunar planet, they have the capability only to reach lunar planet. Their energy is only up to that. The guru form that is saturated with the taste of counseling of these departed souls is called Bhuvaneshwari. Now there is this guru form got saturated because it has to counsel millions of souls that departed from the body, their bodies. Through the Nama Sahasrapad, the Varaha Avatara or boar form, the Bhuvaneshwari energy entered planet Earth. The counting of 5th lunar day from Sahasrapad results in Bhuvaneshwari, formation of Bhuvaneshwari. That is the Panchami Tithi from Sahasrapad gives rise to Bhuvaneshwari. Hence the saturated form of Guru, that is Iswari, is Bhuvaneshwari. Through Bhuvaneshwari, various saturated forms of Gurus, various saturated Guru forms known as Avadhuta entered planet Earth. These are sadhus and avadhutas, etc. They have taken bodies on planet Earth. So with this sloka is completed. Purushartha Pradha Purnaa Bhoghini Bhuvaneshwari. What does it mean? Purushartha Pradha as having personality, Purnaa as having intellect, Bhoghini as having discretion, Bhuvaneshwari as having faculty of mind. That is Krishna form of energy as faculty of personality, Kali Vidya as having faculty of intellect, the Mercury qualities as discretion, and the saturated Guru form as faculty of mind. Remaining namas we'll explore in the next episode. Thank you.